We're delighted to welcome you all to ATPS 2026, the 6th biennial event that we've hosted in Kuala Lumpur. Welcome to ATPS 2026! The reason we came to Asia was twofold. One was to make our delegates in the region have a venue closer where they could participate. In Southeast Asia, predominantly what we have are production facilities and LNG facilities. The challenges that those folks have are a little different than the ones in Houston. What we address here mostly is reliability, availability, running an aging fleet in offshore conditions.
Success here depends on this alignment between the users. And once we have that alignment with the users, we actually are de-risking the investment that the suppliers have to do for the technology development. And we have to make sure that we have a policy and market design that give the right signals to the investors.
What we get by having an event here in Kuala Lumpur is to exchange best practices from around the world and also to be able to develop and support the workforce and increase the skills such that their operations and their business can thrive and benefit from other individuals that have been through the path and solved the problems earlier.
Attending ATPS is really beneficial for us to help us with our growth aspirations in Southeast Asia. There's a huge market opportunity, and our goal is being the OEM alternative for the aftermarket support for white metal Babbitt bearings.
Our ATPS, when we started, it was a huge crowd. So a lot of papers. Even though some of the 2 decades, 3 decades people presented, the next generation is picking up the similar topics and the perception is changing. The way they're presenting, the knowledge level is increasing.
I think it's very well balanced for ATPS. There is a good balance between OEM, end user and academia. I specifically like the way the universities are being engaged in this program. I also see a lot of value in the engagement between end user like myself and also the OEM. These were the times and the platform for us to interact with them. To get a lot of our technical questions answered.
Our networking and training capabilities, every time that we get reviews from our delegates, they say, hey, I've met the right people, I've networked, I've gained a lot of knowledge, and your short courses are spot on. It's what I need to do to walk away from the event with a capability. So developing resources or developing the infrastructure, we focus on the individuals and we focus on the business results.